Hey there, young coding enthusiasts. Today's adventure takes us to Menu L204 where we'll master the art of time delays in Python. If you're just starting your coding journey, be sure to watch our menu navigation video to become a menu navigating ninja. Ready to see some coding magic? Press that joystick and watch the app come to life. If you're too excited to wait, press the joystick to the left, skip the help message. Watch in awe as the display automatically transitions from be to kind with the power of time delay. It's like having a little coding wizard inside the display. When you feel like exploring more, just a quick flick of the joystick to the left will bring you back to the main menu. You're doing great, stepping up your Python skills one code at a time. Want to peek behind the curtain? We've got a preview of the Python code for you to check out. Ready to get hands-on with coding? Our simulator is the perfect playground, and it's just a click away on your laptop. And if you're looking for a coding buddy, our AI chatbot Coding Companion is here to help you through the coding maze. Embark on your coding quest with all the resources you need at http://shoginitoys.com. Congratulations! Remember, with our Shogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Shogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.